Hi guys, happy Friday. I hope everybody is doing great. I'm going to share with you 5 creative ways to share your new post on your Instagram story. If you'd like to get some new ideas, keep watching. So, the thing that you do usually is going on your Instagram when you just post something new on your feed is to post your new post on your story. You do it that way, send it to your story and done, right? I believe there is way more things you can do on your Instagram story to attract your follower to go on your post. So I decided it will be great to show you 5 creative ways to do it. So the first of the 5 creative ways to share your new post on your Instagram story is pretty simple. You will only need to use the brush tool as well as the text tool. Let's get into it. I am recording my screen and we're going to share this post on my story using the brush tool and the text tool. Let's go on add post to your story, brush tool, select a color from the image, a color that would match. I will go with this color and I'm going to hold the background. Bam, the color appears. We're going to resize the picture and tap it. That way we can see the first sentence of my caption. Center it, go on the text, and you will go in symbol and use the I don't even know how you call it, this one, and you're going to use it a couple of times like this. Don't forget to select it and copy it because we're going to do this multiple times. Turn it a little bit over, put it somewhere here, resize your picture. Now you're going to do the same one. This is why I told you to copy it, because we're going to paste it again, resize it, turn it and put it on the other side. You're going to do it one more time, resize it and put it on the bottom. You can resize it however you want. And now we are going to use that again, but this time we're going to use maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, write new post and use that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put this on the top. And here you go, one creative way to share your posts on your Instagram story. Creative way number 2. You will need to go on the App Store and download the fonts. Once you did that, or if you already have it, we can get started. I'm going to share this picture. I'm going to use that brush tool again because I think this is nice to be able to find a color that will match better in the background. So let's take maybe that blue. And now we are going to use the Fonts app that you just downloaded. So you're going to go on text, and here on the planet you're going to fonts. I am going to use the circle one and I'm going to write new in black. Select this and put the new on the top. Then you're going to go back on text and you're going to write post. Makes sense, right? In red, and I'm going to resize it again. I'm sorry that happens. Resize if it happens. There you go, and you resize it. And now you are going to go on stickers, find an arrow. I'm gonna use this one, size it, and here we are, new post. Number 3. We are going to use an image from our photo library. You will need to have a picture that is in PNG with a transparent background to be able to drag this picture from your photo library as a sticker to your Instagram stories. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Then we will use some Instagram story stickers. Before getting into this one, I wanted to tell you that I wrote a blog post about 5 creative Instagram story ideas. In this article, I am actually giving away 5 background PNG that you can use as stickers on your Instagram stories. So I invite you to check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. Now I show you how to do it. Alright, so we are going to share this picture of me. What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to go in my library. So this is one of the background that I'm giving away on my blog post if you wanna check those out. I am going to copy the photo and I'm going to go back on Instagram and I'm going to add the sticker. Then I will resize the background and I'm going to tap on my post and bam! You can leave it like this. I'm going to resize it a little bit and I am going to add some Instagram story stickers. So I will go here and there and I will look for new post and I'll choose something cute. This one, I will resize it, put it in a corner. You can also add whatever you're thinking of, likes. Sounds great. Boho, and I'm going to go with those cute flower here because this is the flowers that we have on the back. You can add as many as you want. And here you go. Creative way number 4. We are going to use the brush tool, the fonts app, and some Instagram story stickers. So let's go. What you're gonna do here is add your post to your story, resize it a little bit. We are going to use the tool brush to change our background as we did before. Choose the color that will go the best and now we are going to go in the Instagram story stickers and we are looking for washi tape. Select the washi tape that you think will match the most and resize it and put it on the corner of your post like so. You can move it around. Then we are going to take the tool brush again. We are going to drop these to make cute little decor with the toothbrush. You're going to take the neon brush and you are going to use whatever color you think is the best. So if you hold the color section, you can actually get more color options. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, sounds great. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And now we're going to write new post. So we're going to go on Fonts, the app that you guys downloaded. New post. And that happened. How are you going to put your new post here? Bring back your picture. Put back your stickers together and you can drop your new post here and you're going to write that down with the same font one more time. Take it, put it on the other side, and now we're going to go back on the brush tool and we're going to select the arrow option. Go all the way down here and choose maybe that brown color and start to make some arrow, something like that, and maybe go that way and do something like this that brings some life to your Instagram story. And so for the last creative way to share your new post in your Instagram story is to download Storylux. I love to share my new post using Storylux templates because I have a little trick to bring my followers to my new post without using the add to your story option. Let me show you. Once you've downloaded Storylux, you will go in the app and you will choose a new template. I usually go in the film one and you need to have the picture, the last picture of your last post in your photo library. So you will select template that you want to use. You will add the picture that you want to share, that is your new post. Then you will choose a backdrop. It can be one of Storylux backdrop. This one, you can change the branding if you have the subscription of Storylux. So I'm going to write my Instagram handle and here I'm going to write new post. You don't have to, that's an option. You can also on Storylux add a text. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to add new post. Change the color, I want it black, and I'm going to use the font Salinas. Now you have to export this to your Instagram story. So you go on export and you can export directly from Storylux to your Instagram stories. So this is pretty cool. You are going to go on the Instagram story stickers and you're going to select mention and you're going to tag yourself. Put it a little bit sideways and now you are going to hide your tag with a tap here sticker. This one. Make it a little bit bigger than your name. When you're going to add this to your story and that people are going to tap on the tap here option, they will have access to your entire profile, and so they will be able to see your last new post and your other posts because it will go directly to your profile, right? Pretty cool. Alright guys, you just learned 5 new creative ways to share your new post on your Instagram story. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to never miss any Edit With Me video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. And don't forget... If you like it... The button!